Compact, a leader in radio and television broadcast products and services, a pioneering communication company with over 30 years experience. We specialize in mobile radio communication. Compact, compelling technology.
Good evening. The 8 man accused of plotting to kill Prime Minister Commodore Voreqe Bainimarama will be sentenced tomorrow morning. After deliberations that lasted for at least 3 hours today, the 5 assessors unanimously found the man guilty.
High Court Judge Paul Madigan, in his judgment today, said he was convinced beyond reasonable doubt that inoke kata feokongande kimbua, Barbados Mills, Sivaniolo Naulango, Metisela Moa, Eparamawanga Tairawa, Kaminieli Vosavere and Polia Sinamulo conspired together to kill Commodore Voreqe Bainimarama. Madigan said he was satisfied beyond reasonable doubt that each of the accused committed the offense and that the accused with others, as well as businessman Balukan, conspired to kill Bainimarama. Earlier in the day, the 5 assessors unanimously agreed that the men were all guilty of the offense. Madigan, in his submissions this morning, told the 5 assessors to reach a decision based on the evidence before them. He told the court that direction under the law dictates that what counsel said in their closing speech is not evidence. Madigan told the assessors not to speculate as to the lack of evidence when mobile phone records were not provided by state counsel. He said their judgment alone counts and they must disregard what they heard from friends, family and the media. He went on to say that when deciding on the credibility of witnesses, they must account for what they heard and whether witnesses were evasive, honest or reliable. Madigan told the assessors they represented common sense and human affairs in our community. He told them to put aside feelings of prejudice or sympathy against any of the accused. The judge said that because of the nature of the case, political consideration comes into play. However, what they thought of the present government should not influence their decision. He said the burden of proof was on prosecution by making the assessors sure. He said if they are sure, then they should rule guilty, and if they are not, then rule not guilty. Following his judgment this afternoon, Madigan said the 8 men are still on bail until tomorrow. Madigan will hear mitigation and issue his sentence at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Sherry Ann Wilson, One National News.